Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy so far. So today I wanted to just do a one look, one palette using this one from Colourpop. It's their Pokémon Palette Town. And I thought it would be really fun to try this out on camera because I personally have only used this once or twice, but I haven't used the mattes yet, only the shimmers, and so far I absolutely love it. So I'll take the shade first. This really pretty light blue called Cerulean City. And I'll take my Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush. Okay, so next I want to take the shade, this purple one. This one is called Lavender Town. And I'll be taking my Sigma E27. This is super cool. I really love that the purple made the light blue kind of have like a gradient effect. Looks like it's dark blue by the purple shade, and that is so cool. That's really pretty. Okay, so the next shade I want to take is this one. It's like a light orange duochrome. It's so pretty. This one is called Vermilion City. So this right here. Just going to use my finger. Okay, so for inner corner, I want to take this one. It's like an iridescent duochrome. It's called Jelly Donut. So pretty. It has like a purple pink shift. And I'm going to use this Dollar Tree pencil brush. go ahead and switch over and use my Eco Tools micro smudge brush. I feel like this one will get the product a little bit more better. Okay, so I do want to put a little bit of color underneath my waterline. So I'll be taking Cerulean City and Lavender Town and put that like right here, like halfway. And I'll be taking the same tool that I used for the inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to take my Laura Geller Seasonless Staples palette for my all over brow bone shade because the Pokemon does not have one. So I'm going to take this shade right here. This one's called Lilac. And I'm going to put that all over my brow bone just to brighten it up. Okay, my friends, so this is the end result for my eyes. So I absolutely love the color combination that I came up from this palette, and I absolutely love Colourpop. As you know, the formula is so affordable, but it's so good. And I love the shades that I use, the matte ones, this orange shimmer. So this one's like a duochrome. It has like blue sparkles within the shadow. It's so beautiful, and I'm really happy with this one. I think it's such a classic, especially if you grew up watching Pokemon and TV, especially if you're a 90s kid like me. But thank you so much for watching, my friend. May God bless always. I hope that you enjoyed this video. You take good care. And if you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing to my small channel. I would love to have you here. And I appreciate everything that you do. And thank you for just being here. And I hope to see you next time in my other video whenever I upload it. Okay, bye my friend.